Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a easy balloon cloud which you can use in your decorations. All you need to make this is balloons, so please follow the tutorial. You need two balloons. So first you need to tie the balloons like this. Tie the balloons like this.
Okay. Tie the balloon like this, okay?
So you have to make many of these. So you have to make many sets of these two set balloons. Take two of these and join them together like this. Take another one. Take this part and ensure that you don't move this balloon. Slide these two without shaking the previous balloon. Slide the two balloons like this. Now hold this balloon. Take two more balloons without touching this balloon. Insert this. So you have it like this. Hold this balloon. Take these two balloons. Don't move this balloon. Just take these balloons and you need to repeat this step. Take these balloons and only slide these balloons in between this balloon. I hope you can see what I'm doing. So we have come out with something like this. It's like a balloon cloud. Hold this balloon. Take one more set. Don't move this balloon. Don't move this balloon. Slide these two balloons inside like this. So it has become this big now. I think I'll be using 5 or 6 sets of two balloons. So this is my last set I'll be using. So hold this balloon. Take this one and just slide these two balloons inside like this. So you can see our easy balloon cloud is ready. You don't need a balloon strip to make this. You can make this using only purely balloons. You can use this balloon cloud in your decorations. If you just place it on the ground, it sits firmly on the ground. Also you can lean it against the wall. Here are some decorations I made using this. Here I've stuck this balloon cloud as a background and made a teddy sit on it. So this is a simple decoration idea. Hope my video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.